Click is a leading provider for wiring accessories and consumer units for domestic, commercial and industrial sectors. Situated in the heart of the Midlands at our 48,000 square foot HQ. We're a family-run business that employs over 200 members of staff, reaching an annual turnover of over £95 million from our extensive product line. With over 3,600 trading accounts, providing a full network of wholesalers across the UK. Our 150,000 square foot warehouse and distribution centre allows us to stock over 16,000 product lines with a stock value of £18 million. We're able to offer 97% availability on stock at any given time. From our head office, we design, develop and manufacture for product distribution worldwide. Our complete range of wiring accessories, consumer units and circuit protection ranges include decorative finishes for a premium look, moulded wiring accessories, antimicrobial and medical certified products, essential wiring and smart home automation, whether that's inside or out, including our Illusion brand of consumer units, all coming together to make Click the market leader in the electrical industry.